Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate McAfee antivirus subscription, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your McAfee antivirus subscription, start by opening your web browser. Go to the official McAfee website. Log into your McAfee account using your email and password. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Find the Subscriptions tab and click on it. Locate your antivirus subscription in the list provided. Click on the Activate button next to your subscription. If prompted, enter the activation code provided with your purchase. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. After activation, download the McAfee software if you haven't already. Run the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the installation prompts to install the antivirus on your device. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if required. Open the McAfee software to confirm that your subscription is active. Ensure your antivirus definitions are updated by clicking on the Update button. Your McAfee antivirus is now activated and ready to protect your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.